Welcome to our channel, Destination Jamaica. Now, the video that we did before, we spoke to a Ludi man, and of course, as we said, we are buying boards, so we have a board here. For those who don't know, and for those who, want to remember, or you just want to see the game, this is the Ludi board game, and we're going to teach you how to play it. So this is the board, right? And you have the different areas of the board. First, you choose your section or your home. So you can choose a peace or love or unite or Jamaica, right? And you put your call them man. So you put 4 man in your section.
Players.
And 4 each, 4 players. So what happened now is that once you have your 4 players there, everybody has their players. You're gonna roll the dice. You decide if you want to use 2 dice or 1. Well, some people prefer 1 because that makes it harder. Some people prefer 2, right? And then before you even go ahead and roll the dice, some people like to decide rules. Are they going to play lock and stop or the regular way? When it comes to rolling again, once you roll, you get 6. Even if it's 1 dice that gets a 6, you get to roll again. A friend introduced me to another method. You have to get doubles before you can roll again. So it's not just 6. You have to get like a double 5 or a double 2, any double for you to roll again. Alright, say for instance you do this, right? I got double 6. If I'm playing by the rule that my friend told me about, then I can go again because I got doubles, right? 6 normally indicates when you can bond. And the start is normally the second one. Right there. So when we roll a 6, we can bond 2 man because I have 2 6s right there, right? And I get to roll again. Say that if I'm using my friend's way, I get to go roll again. If I'm not, then I still get to roll again, right? So I go again, and I got 3 4. So you count off 1 2 3 4. You can decide to continue with this one or just take this one with it. 1 2 3. Right? Then the other person will have their turn, and the other person, and it comes back to you. The aim of the game is to get all 4 of your players into your home. So wherever you have the different colors, they correspond with your home. So the red right here, that's my home. The white right here, that's their home. The yellow, that's theirs, and the green, that's theirs. So you have to go all the way around the board to get to your home, right? Once you do that, remember I told you at the beginning that you can play lock and stop. That means that you cannot go into your home until you lock on it. Then you can go in. Now, it looks pretty simple. But it's not, especially when you're playing with more people. If you're playing with 1 2 3 people, then it's going to get more challenging because they can block you like this. And you can't move unless you get a double one. Then it might be a rule that you can have double kill double, right? They can kill you like that, and you have to go all the way back to home, right there. They can partner up if you're going to play a partner game, and they can just decide to just be vindictive and ensure that they kill and get in your way of every man and probably make them friendly. Ludi is a fun game. It teaches you not to underestimate the underdog. I remember we were playing one game with a very quiet person, and the person said, no, the rest of it just a chat and whatever. And before you know, the person end up winning the game. All the way I kill off each other, the chatters then. While the quiet one is a move through and end up get all 4 players in, right? It also is revenge is sweet, especially when served cold, because somebody kill you, right? So them kill you, and then them go all the way around, almost reach out for them gates or for them home, even right here, so and you kill them. Then you go all the way back up for them yard to start all over again. Right? You can strategize. You can decide how you want to go about doing it. Some people, they're the lockers, so they lock to ensure that nobody passes, and if they have their 4 players out, then they can run with these 2 players and go all the way around the board and get into their home, right? Some people just decide to use everything that they get and just run with one player at a time. So if they get sixes, they're not going to burn any man or players. They're just going to run around until they reach home. So it's also about strategy, what you think is best based on your players and based on the home that you need to get to, right? So a really fun game. We get excited and heated over it. There's nothing like winning, and some people that like to have a money game for fun. And now we're gonna play a little bit of Ludi so that you can see how we do. Oh, one thing to remember: if you're like that, well, not like that. If you're like that, well, if a dice come off the board, you lose your chore. I think you can also decide if you want that to be a rule or not. But if your dice come off the board, you lose your chore. Sorry, other person get it. And that can be, you know, hard because it could be you need that chore to get ahead of your competitor and then you lose your chore. So you have to be careful, you don't get too excited. Some people have a technique though, I think to them teeth, then they roll the dice and then know if they get 6 all the time. Some people roll like this, but to me, I think you should roll the dice, right? Oh, I got 6 twice. Oh, cool. Alright, great. So once you get all 4 of your players in, and in first, then you're the winner of the game. And then you can decide if you want to do 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place. Also, one thing to note is that when it comes to the game itself, you can be so close to your home and all of your players then get killed off. So you have to go back all the way. And that's the worst thing. That's one of the worst things to happen. It can also be that you're here and you get one person in and then you just need a digga one to go in and one take forever to come. So it's a very fun game, as I said. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. And also check out our DSLD Creations Etsy channel where you can buy your very own Ludi board. Alright? So we're gonna play right now. Let's see who's gonna win. And see you soon. Alright, so now we're gonna play it. It's just 2 of us. It's not as fun with 2 people. But you can still have a great time, right? I'm gonna go first. No 6. Woo! Look at that dice rolling. Double 6. 6 1. So I get to roll again because we're not playing with the double. Roll again. 1 2 3 4 5. Now that's for you. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I don't know if I skip one because the camera like kind of blind me. So if it look like me I cheat, bear with me there. 6 1 2 3 4. Oh yeah, I get to roll like double 2. 1 2 3. 6. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. Lock. 1 2 3 4 5. That person no luck. 1 2 3 4 5. You see what I'm going? It's very possible that the person who's not getting any 6 right now could get a lot of 6 and end up just kill off my man then, and then we start all over again. 6 1 1 2 3 4. Need to take one of them home. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Woo! Wrong place. You see, when you go on somebody's birth gate, a trouble, because you can ban anytime. When you lock on their birth gate, it's kind of nice because that means you prevent them from that bad. Woo! But lose my chore. No, chew. Remember what I said in the video? Sometimes if you lose your chew, you really need to chew on the record. Okay, good. Get a 6, but not the right 6. Wait, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. I remember what I said. I'm almost home. I get to throw again. Oh my gosh, I'm too excited. I lose my show again. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what I was gonna do? I was gonna go all the way around again, and then I would have missed my home, and you can't go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. 6. 1 gone in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I get to go again. Double 1. Move my double. Just like you end up to 6 like that. That is what you do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Can't really move because I put a block there, so I only can move up to the blockage. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Woo! Who's on a roll? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have to break up this because 2 man gone in. Them are the only one I have on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I choose not to move this one because what are the odds of him getting just a 1 and a 2 dice? So he'll have to pass me. And just run with that one instead. 1, 2, 3. 6. Gonna lead. Get the show again. Oh! How's that supposed to go? Wait, but can't go. Alright guys, so I think it's kind of clear who's gonna be the winner. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. 1, 2. Ah!
Keep trying away.
Yeah.
No pressure.
Well, going for me. That catching up, that key. Alright, so I need 2 to kill this man. It's very likely I can get 2. Well, I'm a 6 thrower, so. Oh well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And she's going for the win. 1, 2, 3. Another cock. And I'm almost home. All I need is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. All I need is a 2. And I got a 6. 2. Winner! And that's the end of the game. I'm in first place and the person there dead last because we don't have other people to play. Alright, so I hope you have a good day at home. Enjoy your Ludi game. Stay at home and enjoy it. And let us know in the comments, how do you play your Ludi?